Hello guys, magandang araw sa ating lahat. So for this video, pag-uusapan po natin yung ating dual dagger assassin build for Ragnarok New World. So start po tayo dun sa ating stats. Okay, so pag-usapan natin yung stats ng assassin. So when it comes to assassin, it's more about the attack. Bakit nga ba mataas yung attack ng dual dagger versus sa Jure type. So, kung titingnan natin dito sa ating skills, okay, sa akin lang mga skills. So, let's go here sa part na to. We can see that when it comes sa two-handed mastery, meron siyang 10% na additional. Kaya mas mataas yung kanyang physical attack. At saka tingnan nyo naman sa aking character, which is just 62 yung level, is 1,600 agad yung physical attack ko. So, that's one of the good thing about being a dual dagger. Also, mataas ang DPS niya. As you can see, I have the record of, so for all of the assassins in the server, I have the highest DPS po. Now, ipapakita ko po yung aking stats and I will explain why ito po yung aking stats na meron ngayon sa ating early game. So, as you can see, everything is pure agi. So, yung iba ba nagtatanong, sir, hindi ba dapat parang strength agi dapat yan? So, additional dex para meron dong hit, din hit. So, yes, like the usual or basic stats na nire-recommend, especially ng system. Pag clinic ko to be honest, is there's a possibility na pantay yung strength. 60-60, then possibility around like 30 or 14 na lang. But, why? Di ba? So, as you can see, pure agi, ang pinakahabol ko dyan is, if we're going to go here, sa ating stats, is yung flee. The higher the agi is, mas mataas yung flee rate. Okay? So, bakit nga ba inahabol ko yung flee rate? So, when it comes kasi sa dual dagger, so, nag-excel siya when it comes po dun sa tinatawag na PvE. So, more on a PvE type siya na build. Topic na part kung saan yung sinasabi ko kanina, pag naka-pure agi ka, halos maabot mo yung parang 193 or max attack speed. So, make sure na pag naabot mo na yon with the additional concentration potion or awakening potion. So, yung ibang stats mo, which is ito, yung stats points mo, make sure na ilagay mo na agad siya sa strength. Kasi nga, yun na yung limit niya, so masasayang lang yung iyong mga stats points. So, ilagay na lang sa strength for additional physical attack. Now, so yan yung stats. Then, as you can see as well, hindi naman talaga na-compromise yung ating physical attack. Napakataas pa rin, 1,605. To be honest, hindi masyadong nalalayo yan sa strength part. So, meron ako ditong parang strength. Okay, try natin. Sa strength na preset. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na equal. So, what I have earlier is 1,605. So, as you can see, hindi ganun kalaki yung difference. So, it's only around like 60 attack, which is you can have that compensated by having an attack item. So, try natin dito sa damage challenge, okay? So, ang maganda sa Pure Agi is on early game, nai-hit mo agad yung pinaka-max na attack speed. Ano ba yung pinaka-max na attack speed ngayon? So, 193 is the maximum attack speed. So, now, if I hit the dummy, try natin. Gamit na, pag bumalik ako dito, is, ang attack speed ko is 190 agad. So, now, if I want to hit the 193 maximum attack speed, kailangan ko lang ng concentration potion or awakening potion and I will hit that. Then, once na na-hit mo na yon, then you can allot all the remaining stat points doon na sa strength. Or if you want a konting survivability, you can also put that in Vit. So, bakit nga ba walang luck? Kasi hindi naman po nag-crit ang skill ng isang dual dagger. Usapan natin PvP perspective. So, okay naman siya in a way, pero doon sa mga assassin na mataas yung crit rate is medyo lugi tayo. Kaya nga, if we're going to check dito sa build na nire-recommend ng system, is talaga ang dual dagger is really good for PvE. When it comes naman sa PvP is yung crit type yung maganda. So even though yung mga event natin na parang parang lahat ng assassin maglalaban-laban, pag-usapan naman natin sa item. Okay? So let's go now with the item that I have. Item naman po is this is what I have. Okay? So attack speed din 28%. Then level 10 po siya. Then ako ay naka-agi ulit. Burst speed yung aking gamit na enchant. So ito yung sa akin, yung mga card na meron ako as of the moment is the Panzer Goblin, melee physical damage, and then Peko Peko. Next one is I have here level 10 then. Same thing, burst speed, agi, and then attack. So far, wala akong masyadong okay na card dito. But still, sayang naman yung attack. Kaya nilagay ko na siya. Dito naman, so ang maganda dito is, when it comes sa gear, meron akong 3 types of special skill na ginagamit. So ito, pag naghahunt ako na MVP. Then ito naman, pag PvP. So, 12% less. Ito naman, pag sa mga mobs. Ito na nga, sa medium units. So, yun yung sa mga item na meron ako. And then, ano bang gamit ko? Itong Gale set. Kasi siya ay 5% HP bonus and then physical damage bonus. So, ito naman yung aking card na meron, attack. So far, hindi pa masyadong okay yung mga card ko. And then, agi ulit. So, dalawang Bison Horn. So, multi-stab, 15%. Then, same thing, tayo ay naka-burst. Mantis card, strength 3, Bongun, melee physical damage, and dito naman ay Weapon Master. Kasi nga, attack speed yung hinahabol natin. So, Bongun ulit, melee physical damage, and then agi plus 3. Okay. I think na-discuss na natin lahat, yung sa part na yon. So, paano naman when it comes sa Jur type? Kasi meron din naman akong Jur. Pag sa Jur type is, meron din naman dito, just in case na kailangan. So, okay din siya when it comes to PvP. But then again, for me, mas naglilin ako dun sa part na dual dagger. Kasi konti lang yung talagang mga main assassin na dual dagger. So, medyo expensive siya, especially sa pagpa-plus 10, kasi dalawa nga yung iyong ina-ups. But again, it's gonna be worth it when it comes dun sa mga boss hunting, at saka pag sa mga late game na ng ating character. Siyempre, mas mga malalakas na boss, mas malalakas na dungeon, then it's gonna be easy if your character has a high flee. And then, at saka yun nga, is really designed for PvE setup. So, yun lang yung aking ma-share ngayon for this character. Again, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. So, for the next coming weeks, I will update again yung ating stats or build for our dual dagger assassin for Ragnarok New World. Again, everyone, thank you so much and have a nice day.